Hi guys, this is Mrs. Zigger. I'm here with a different Action Magazine video for you to check out, okay? So in Action Magazine, I need you to log in. Now, I'm going to pretend I'm a student. I'm not a student. It's going to give me an error message, so we're just going to ignore that. But everything else is going to work, so get ready. So when you log in, you're going to pick I'm a student. Now, your Chromebooks, you normally cannot see this down here, so you normally have to scroll down. You're going to click Google Classroom, your account. Now, this is where you are going to get into Action Magazine. It's going to give me an error message because it knows I'm a teacher. So hold on one second. Ignore this. I'm going to keep ignoring that, okay? Oh, no. Okay, hold on. Keep ignoring this. This should work. I did test it, I promise. I bet you're already in. Okay, fantastic. So you went right here, okay? So what we're doing is we're looking for the most recent issue, okay, which happens to be this one. It says latest issue right here, okay? So I'm going to click on it. And when I do, it brings the article up like this, okay? This is one way that you can look at articles. I want you guys to come over here and I want you to click Presentation View. This is going to bring you into an interactive magazine, which is really awesome. Okay, so it brings you here, but here's the problem. You're going to have to go backwards because the article that we want is, wait for it, there it is. Your Vacation in Space. Oh my gosh, wouldn't that be so cool? Think about that for a second. That would be awesome. All right, so here's the deal. Sometimes articles have videos. This one actually has two. The first video is going to be about space. Okay, I'm going to let you look at that. The second video is going to be about summarizing. You are going to want to watch both videos, okay? Then you are going to take a look at some of the vocabulary. When you click on it, it actually gives you a little slideshow, and you can look at all of them by clicking on these arrows, okay? It also reads it to you.
Spacecraft.
All right, you might not be able to hear some of the volume just because of the recording that I'm using. Anyway, so before you even start to listen to the article, you're just going to want to go ahead and preview all of these important text features, okay? So here's the word again. If you want to look at it to remind yourself what orbit means, okay? I believe that's the last page. Yep, too far. So we've got it here, we've got it here. Once you're done with that, then you can zoom in, grab it over here, and then you can do a read aloud. Okay. Again, you're probably not hearing that, but it's reading it aloud. And then you're going to notice that when they're reading it aloud, it starts to highlight. So I'm going to let that go for just a couple of seconds. All right. So again, you're probably not hearing that, but so that's what it's doing. It's going to highlight as it reads it to you. You can move it around and keep following it. Okay. You can also click and have it start wherever you would like. Okay, so I'm going to zoom back out, or you can hit fit and it'll bring it back. You can also make it full screen if you want to as well. All right. So remember, there's a packet of questions that's over by the sink if you didn't already grab it. And you're going to see if you can answer some of those questions. This is not for homework, okay? All right, guys. Enjoy and have a great day.